Buyers, it's time to jump in. As you may have seen in our last market update, 2018 August marked the longest economic gains in American history. Everybody's wondering, is this sustainable? Right now we're hearing about shift happening all over the Bay Area and all over the country. We're going to quickly touch on some of the stats and then talk about what opportunity this presents for all of our buyers and investors today.
What are some of the indicators that demonstrate a shift in the market?
Big one we're looking at these days is the reductions. In the third quarter of this year, we saw over twice the amount of reductions in San Mateo County as we did the first quarter. That's telling us that sellers are having to reduce their prices in order to get those buyers. Inventory has also doubled. In January 2018, we saw 1.5 month supply of inventory, where in October we're at 3 months. So that means it's taking 3 months to sell your home instead of 1.5 months.
You're noticing signs of a shift in the market, but houses here in the San Francisco Bay Area go well over $1 million.
Yes.
Why should someone invest in real estate?
That's a great question. So first of all, it's tangible. You're buying something real with your money. I don't know if that's why they call it real estate. Secondly, it's leverageable. So banks are still typically lending 80% to your 20% down payment. So a savvy investor is going to get someone else, the tenants, to pay their mortgage and still cash flow every month. While meanwhile, your property value is appreciating over time. Well, just looking at appreciation here in San Mateo County, the median sale price in 2001 was $535,000, where last year it was well over $1.2 million. And also, according to Gary Keller, 75% of the nation's wealth is held in real estate, so I think why not get your fair share?
For all you investors out there who want to take advantage of this market, here are a few things to consider. First off, rent control is already active in parts of San Francisco and the Bay Area, so you should be aware of which areas have active rent control and which areas may have it on the ballot. Another thing to consider is your cap rate, which is your annual return on your investment. So you need to know your gross annual income over how much you pay for the property. Know what your expenses will be, such as taxes and management fees and so on. And one last note, if you are waiting for home values to go down, keep in mind that interest rates have been going up and that will affect your purchase power. So call the Kulda Group today for a buyer consultation.